Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix these LED light bulbs. So one day you might come from school and turn this on so that you can do some homework when it's late and it's dark outside. But then you turn it on and it seems like it's trying to send you a Morse code message. What would you do here? You would try to fix it. And that is what I'm going to show you. So first you would remove this cover, and you would do it by twisting and then pulling. Now you put it in the socket and then connect it. When you turn it on, it's going to look like this. For this next part, you will need a multimeter like this one. So first, you would change the multimeter to 200 direct current. This is alternate current, which is AC, and this one is DC. So then, once you have it at 200 DC, you would then turn it on, and then with this, you would put it at each side and measure how much current is measuring. So here it's 9.6, this one 9.6, this one 62. So then this one is the one that's causing all the troubles. So then we have to fix this. So now we're going to remove that defective lid. So we remove the light bulb. And then now that we do, we take out the defective lid. Now I am using this tool, but it is not the most effective. There are many others that you can do this with. So then you put it on, and then you pull. So then you grab it. Once you remove the bad lead, it's going to look something like this. So now you need to put this somewhere stable so that you can work on it. This might not be the most effective way to do it, but it still works. Now we need a solder so that we can melt this so that electricity can pass in that area. So then you grab it, grab the solder, and then you melt it. Now, after you've soldered it, so that it can connect between both of the little holes so that the current can pass, then you put it on, and then it should turn on. There we go, and now, there we go. It turned on. It works now. It is no longer telling me Morse code. And then you can also transfer an LED from another light bulb into this one, although it is much harder to do. Now I can continue studying.